Hey guys, welcome back to another product review. This is actually a take two video. You guys don't know that because you won't see the other original video, but I'm doing an unboxing. Well, I guess not really an unboxing anymore, but I'm doing a review or kind of unboxing of the, I don't know, YooTech 3-in-1 wireless charger MF200 Plus. So this is kind of what the box looks like. It's available on Amazon. Kind of information there. So in the box, I just have this here. You got the cord that plugs in the back, and then there's like this little guide that comes with it, saying that you could use it on cases less than 4 millimeters. It can't be magnetic, and it can't have a metal ring or case. So, to be fair, I have actually already tested this with my Samsung products. I've got the Samsung earbuds there, and plug it in. I can see that it's charging. The Samsung Galaxy Watch, I think this is the first version. And I know the battery's horribly dead, but it charges there. And then I've got, and then I've also got a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's a new case that I just reviewed too. If you want to know more about the case, I could link that over there, here somewhere. I'll link it. And oops. And I know that this works as well. Charges. But the reason that this is a take two video is so it works with Samsung products. Does it work with Apple products? Fortunately, I'll be able to show you guys. And I have not actually tested it yet, so it's going to be kind of a blind test for me. So let's take those products off. So we've got, these are the Apple, what are these? The AirPod Pros. Alright, it turned orange. These are my wife's. I'm not really sure if it's supposed to turn orange. I'm guessing that means it's charging. I don't really know. I believe so. I'm going to say that's a yes. And then we've got the iWatch, Apple Watch Series 5. Let's see what happens. Does it charge? Oh, I don't think it liked it. I like shut it down. Shut everything down. I'm going to say no. That's a no on that one. Alright, so no, you cannot charge at least the Series 5 on this, on the YooTech, whatever that is. So if you're an Apple person, probably not the best purchase for you unless you also like Samsung watches. And then here is an iPhone. Charges the iPhone. So there you have it. This was the YooTech. That's what I'm going to call it. YooTech. I don't know. Model MF200 Plus wireless charger. It's going to work great for me, being a Samsung guy. Not so great if you are an Apple person. But thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.